Oh, you're bored?
Fam, don't start. Look what time it is.
Oh,
But this shit keeping me up.
Oh.
Forever would have never mind. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light. Oh,
Yo, Airplane Part 2. I don't even know, man.
I've heard lots of things about this song and I'm ready.
Yeah, I've heard all the things. I literally have my sister in my ear like, Airplane Part 2.
Fam, why do I have your sister in my ear too?
I
That's the
don't
real
know.
question.
So let's just, formulate our own opinions. Hello?
For sure it's that bitch.
Hello?
Interesting.
Hello? Oh, it's going.
Where? Where's it going?
It's going. Hello?
Wait, I recall this from your sister playing it.
So what's wrong with
One of those, you know?
you? Trying to tango?
Yeah, you trying to tango?
My man!
Hey!
Woo!
Singing star?
Oh! Oh, excuse me?
I'm reading the lyrics. El mariachi. I love how they say it.
Oh! El mariachi.
This song fits Jungkook and Jimin's voices so well.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
You
you
hear
still
that
haven't
shit?
heard Jungkook.
Never heard you.
I fucking can't.
I'm literally so shook.
Hey. I don't know. Me.
I don't know. Hey.
Yoongi out here.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Can you imagine? They see a scruff roll. We're like,
Whoa. This song is
fuck.
Airplane Part 2 sexy.
Now that I see the outfits, it all makes sense to me.
Whoo! I loved that shit. Airplane Part 2 is that bitch. It's that
Honestly,
bitch.
I'm over it.
No, you're not. No.
I'm mad. I'm mad we didn't hear this sooner.
We're here now. It's 2018, and we out here.
I should punch you.
I don't give a shit. Put me out of my misery.
They better do this live. They better do it.
Fam,
they're gonna do it.
thank you.
They're gonna do it.
Thank you for the confirmation I needed. All right, guys. We out to the next song. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And if you want to watch us react to their other songs, you can check it out in the description box down below. And we will see y'all next time. Bye.
숨쉬듯 노래해 내 어디든 좋아 음악이 하고 싶어